Oh shit!
Hey guys, this is our anniversary weekend, so we weren't planning on making a vlog. We were going to just do the sights and sounds of Fort Supply Lake since we're over here celebrating our anniversary at the lake. And I did it first, so stay tuned until the end to see what my dumbass did. I mean, really.
It was good.
I'm sure there's plenty of other people that have done it, but I've lost 2 drones in this thing. Look what else I've tried to lose in this damn thing. So, anywho, Kathy's got some inventory and some stuff to do with work. So the next couple weeks, I'm not sure if we're gonna get a vlog out, or if we do, I don't know if it'll be like normal. It might be a slideshow because I'm planning on. We just ordered a new Battleborn battery, so I'm planning on doing some updates to the camper. So it might be a slideshow. I don't know. I'll let you know in the title if it uploads, but if not, we're probably off until May.
Yeah, work is kind of taking its toll on me, so unfortunately.
Yeah, so she's going to have to work the next 2 weekends, and with that being said, I mean, I may up and ditch her and go out on my own and do something, but I don't know. We'll wait and see. But for now, enjoy the sights and sounds of Fort Supply Lake.
longer actually with you. Seems like forever.
Yeah, it seems like forever.
They just don't like us.
Oh,
How the that happened? This hates us. Seriously, hates us. Maybe it real. Look at that, we got it! Yay! We caught a reel.
I'm done fishing today. Okay, I haven't been fishing long, but this is damn sure the first time that I've ever thrown my damn reel off the pole. So, I think I'm just gonna go back and drink beer. Well, baby, we made 2 years. I know we've been together or have known each other forever, but these 2 years have been pretty damn amazing, and I can't wait to do a lot more with you. I hope hope you had a great weekend, and hope you got a lot of relaxing in. I know you've been needing it, so I'm gonna finish my walk in the start of this video, and I'll see you soon. Love you, baby.